Logos are the key elements of every brand, but creating a professional one is no easy task. Vistacreate is a revolutionary graphic design software that allows users to create a wide range of visual content using its customizable templates and a pre-built library of premium videos, logos, photos, and vectors. With its user-friendly interface and AI-powered features, Vistacreate offers one of the most comprehensive content creation solutions available. Vistacreate also enables users to create videos, animations, graphic designs for social media, print, websites, or virtually any kind of static and animated design for commercial, business, or personal needs. It contains 50,000 professionally designed templates that are pre-formatted and editable. It gives users access to a vast library of typefaces, images, stickers, and other materials, allowing them to create professional designs and logos for free. The program provides all of the tools necessary to create graphics on one's own, allowing users to bring their creative ideas to life in minutes. Using Vistacreate, you can remove the background of an image and can add text, photos, music, backgrounds, and other branding elements to the content. Vistacreate helps upload your own photos or videos, or use free stock pictures and clip art. Anyone can use Vistacreate to create professional designs, even without having any prior design knowledge. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Vistacreate review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Vistacreate. What does Vistacreate really do? Vistacreate is a web-based design software that allows users to seamlessly create videos, animations, logos, and graphic designs for social media, print, websites, or any other purpose. It offers a wide range of static and animated design options, making it suitable for both commercial and personal use. With the ability to edit video content, add sounds and music, and remove backgrounds from images, Vistacreate offers a multi-dimensional approach to design. Vistacreate is an ideal tool for marketing professionals, bloggers, and small businesses who require high-quality designs without breaking the bank. With a starter plan that includes unlimited design downloads and access to extensive and customizable templates, as well as a paid option that offers more advanced features such as background remover, sticker maker, AI logo maker, team account, and much more. Users can also upload their own images, sounds, branding assets, and custom fonts, then use them in designs. Whether you want to create animated graphics, Instagram posts, posters, or logos, Vistacreate has you covered. Benefits and key features of Vistacreate. Some of the benefits and unique features of Vistacreate includes 1. Extensive templates and customization options. Vistacreate's templates are well-designed and optimized for performance, while the customization options give users the ability to tailor their content to suit their needs. 2. Resize your designs in seconds. Vistacreate allows you to resize your creations in seconds, saving you valuable time and effort. With just a few clicks, your designs will be perfectly tailored to suit any format, ensuring that they always look their best. 3. Social media integrations. Vistacreate integrates seamlessly with popular social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. This allows you to easily share your content across multiple channels and helps increase visibility and reach. 4. Brand kit and styles features. With Vistacreate, you can create a consistent brand identity by storing your logo, colors, fonts, and other kits in one place. This makes it easy to apply your brand elements across all of your designs, maintaining a cohesive look and feel. 5. Animations and videos. Vistacreate goes beyond static designs and offers animations and video capabilities. With these features, you can bring your designs to life and engage your audience in a new way. 6. Background remover and sticker maker. Vistacreate enables you to easily remove backgrounds from images, creating professional-looking designs. You can also create custom stickers by cutting out specific elements from your images and turning them into reusable graphics. 7. Content management systems. Vistacreate makes it easy to organize, manage, and publish content. Users can create custom workflows, set up automated processes, and assign tasks to team members. Additionally, users can generate reports and track the progress of their projects. 8. Data analysis tools. Vistacreate enables users to measure and analyze the performance of their content. With these tools, users can gain valuable insights into their audience, track engagement levels, refine content strategies, and improve overall engagement. Vistacreate's pricing and plans. Vistacreate offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The 14-day free trial allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features, while the pro-paid plans allow you access to unlimited features. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited design templates. Pros: edit video content and add sounds and royalty-free music to create multi-dimensional visuals. Professionally made templates of design objects, including free stickers, illustrations, icons, and more. Ability to crop pictures in a few clicks, customize and resize designs with ease. Provides content branding and helps create unlimited brand kits by adding the logo and brand name. Vistacreate provides you with an unlimited storage option to store your files safely. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the starter plan and 14-day free trial comes with limited features. Conclusion: Vistacreate has been found by users to be simple, intuitive, and feature-rich, making it a valuable tool for beginners and those with no design experience. The software offers excellent features for creating social media content, podcast covers, infographics, and more. It has helped several users save costs on expensive advertising and graphic design expenses, leading to increased online presence and business performance. The software's online accessibility also makes it convenient for users to design from anywhere. Vistacreate encompasses image and photo editing tools within a rich, canvas-based workspace. It contains a vast library of templates on any topic and theme, as well as millions of royalty-free images, videos, and vectors. It also offers convenient editing tools such as Background Remover, Brand Kit, AI Logo Maker, Social Media Planner, Resizing Tool, and more. Vistacreate's prompt customer assistance has been acknowledged for addressing orders and other concerns. Overall, Vistacreate's affordability, ease of use, and flexibility have made it a popular choice for creating professional designs quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a marketer, blogger, or small business owner, Vistacreate is a valuable resource for creating visually appealing content without the need for expensive graphic design services. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Vistacreate. If you enjoyed this Vistacreate review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.